where we are. Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much, Kim.
I'll wait for you outside, sir, madam.
Okay, all right. All right, thank you. Let me see. Yep. So you do not know, like, better than the Campeche is better than the.
Oh, it's a purple shovel. It is a lot.
They look orange. Wow, nice. Very nice. Yeah, I don't think we'll fit the two of us.
Nope. One by one. What's up?
Wow. Okay, you need to cut the wood. Oh my God, I love it. I love it.
And yeah, this is gonna mess this up. We must put the aircon. We must always close it. Let's see. We don't want this view outside. We don't want it closed. Where the ship is moving will be. Where's my card? Oh, it's in my pocket. Oh. Did you see it? Then I was like, I'm going to buy wine. So this is deck 6, right?
Yeah, it's the edge bar if you want some cocktails.
Okay. All right.
And then, so show you the other restaurants, sir.
Yeah.
Lighthouse restaurant, you can eat also dinner.
All right.
8 p.m. until 11 p.m.
Until 11 p.m.
And then the deck 5 is the Presidonias that you already booked.
Okay.
8 p.m.
Yeah.
You can go there, here, and also the Presidonias if you want.
Okay. All right. So at 8 p.m. we go there and then we eat there. Hi. Good. Souvenirs. All right. Hi.
Pakilala mo yung restaurant na.
Babe. All right, this is it. This is the place. All right, and some of your restaurants are up there also, yeah?
This is specialty, sir. It is not included.
Okay.
If you also see teppanyaki, like
Yeah.
that, upstairs.
All right. Hi. Yeah, already. Thank you. Hi. Hi, Shumpi.
Chocolate, you can buy
Okay.
this here.
Oh. Oh, so this is where your chocolate is. Yeah. Wow. restaurant also. Yeah.
It can be served now if you want to experience.
Okay. Which one? The cook. This one, they cook in front of you. All right. This one you have to reserve.
Yeah, serve first.
Okay.
This is fully booked.
All right. Because we have
Yeah. You
For
have,
this one?
Macedonia.
yeah. Macedonia is what? 8 o'clock every day.
8 o'clock until 11 p.m. Sir.
Every day.
Yes, sir.
So
It is free including in your package.
Okay.
But if you want to do
Something different.
different,
Yeah.
you can book here.
okay.
It's not included.
All right.
You
Okay.
want to try it?
Yeah, definitely.
Because we don't.
Hi, brother. How you doing? Good.
Welcome on board.
Awesome,
My
man.
name is Amir. I'm from Philippines as well. So
Nice,
I just
thank
want to
you.
present you this sushi bar.
All right.
We have the sushi bar here, and we have the teppanyaki kaito here.
Yeah, we want the teppanyaki.
Yes. So this is
Yeah.
the most famous.
The pool is open the whole day,
Yeah.
anytime. Thank you. Oh, okay. We we are allowed to get naked.
What may take that?
No, okay, yeah, like wearing shorts.
Here in pool only.
Or only in the pool. Yeah. Yeah, because we know we're still in Saudi Arabia, right? Yeah, so we don't want to offend the Saudis. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. All right. Yeah, this is beautiful. Oh, there's a movie every time? Every night? Okay, that's good.
If you want to eat ice cream, pizza,
Yeah.
you can. And
Yeah.
this will become buffet.
Yeah.
Inside.
Okay.
Quite the workout. Huh?
It's very good workout. Yeah, I have.
He's still surprising us in the group. He's still surprising us.
Yeah.
Man.
This is amazing. And the videos that come out there,
Quality of wages.
it's the best. I can tell you that.
Get closer to the face. The lady.
Oh man. Oh. Keys here.
Nasa nasa ka.
And I will give you some information as well, sir.
Awesome, that'd be awesome.
Okay, shall we start? Sir, this is your restaurant.
Yeah.
This restaurant, sir, is located on deck 5.
5 here.
The name is Posidonia. This one, sir, will open today, 8 p.m. until 11 only. Okay, sir? And for the next information, sir, every time you go to the restaurant, sir, they will scan your card.
Yeah.
Maybe because maybe you will be able to confuse. That's why we always ask about the card and the room number.
Exactly.
The room card, sir, we always ask for the temperature and contact tracing. For example, sir, to avoid the guest on your side having a problem or vomiting, headache, like this. Yes, so at least we will inform you immediately.
What's happening, yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. You'll get ready, sir.
Yeah.
And room number, sir, order every time ordering the drink, sir.
Yeah.
Wherever you go, they will always ask you
Ask for the
for
room
the drinks for the room number.
Okay.
Okay. And next information, sir, if you want to go outside, sir.
The video when it starts moving. I'm trying to avoid the
وليه أخدتني على مشامتي وكنت راضي حمايته بنقول يا هادي
What?
This thing was not moving.
It's moving, babe. It moves like this. It doesn't move very fast anyway. It's moving. There. We're moving. We were there. Can you see that things are moving? You see, you're not feeling dizzy. You're actually moving. Let me go forward. How much I get it? I left it there.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me, 'cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Gotta crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type, keep it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I gotta crush, crush, crush on you.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As we approach the end of this incredible journey, we take this opportunity on behalf of the entire crew to thank you for cruising with us. You win.
Yeah, that's interesting. Yep.
London, Theatre.
Yep.
Agora, continua. Daddy, your mother was just counting it. She was just taking it out. Well, this is
After I screen my phone.
Mm-hmm. Who's going to call him?
Sunday.
You're not doing the slow video.
No, I'm doing a normal video.
Lots and lots of water. Hey, you must have a wonderful day, my beautiful sister. I'm just wishing you many beautiful, blessed, wonderful years. Wait, I didn't see. Kakanyana. Sigala keki. I will catch you with your house as I celebrate your birthday in the Red Sea. Okay, Manama. Eh? What do you mean? What do you mean? Like, oh my god. You're the best.
Drama queen.
Like, wow. Like, guys, I wish I can clone you, my man, but I cannot. I have it all. I cannot clone it.
Big. It was large. Yeah. Like, actually, like, he didn't want it in one. He didn't even want you.
For the kids, they can choose the cheeseburger or a chicken tandoori. Like, so excited. A little bit more. It will end so quickly.
Yeah, man. What's Man, I hate this.
It was perfect. Really perfect. This was our perfect morning. It was the perfect wedding.
Yeah.
After the perfect wedding.
Yeah. This is our perfect wedding.
This was